Hey, you guys, welcome back to SBE Aesthetics. In today's video, we are going to be going for like a golden bronze, maybe eye look that you can wear every day to work, school, or any occasion. So, as you see me, I just went in with my LA Pro Girl concealer to use that as a base for my eyeshadow, and I'm just blending it out with the tightly firm blending brush. I did not go in with any powder for this. I just went straight into my eyeshadow. I'm going to be going in with Urban Decay Born to Run eyeshadow palette. I'll be using Punk. Okay, you guys, so I went in with that eyeshadow shade in Punk, and I'm just currently just blending that eyeshadow. We are only going to use two eyeshadow out of that palette. So we are going to simplify this makeup look, this eye makeup look, so that everyone can be able to do their makeup, eyeshadow, and still look flawless. I literally just blended that shade that I applied in my crease. I blended it upward. I added more into the crease area to deepen and darken it, as you see me do. So you guys, I'm simply just adding that shimmer, that golden shimmer color with my middle finger. Uh, if you guys haven't noticed, like when you add eyeshadow shimmer to your eyelid, it kind of comes out better sometimes without using a brush. But anywho, I use my fingers to apply that shimmer golden eyeshadow color, which I think is truly adorable. And I'm just going to add more on the outer corner and inner corner, and I'm going to blend it into my eyeshadow color that I put on, the brown one, the Punk shade. I can't remember the name of this one. My finger was blocking it, but yeah. And I'm just blending and adding. Okay, you guys, so as you see me, I remember we're only using two shades here. So that shimmer color, I wanted to do a highlight on my eyebrow bone. So that's what I did. So now I'm going to be going in with my liquid eyeliner. This step is totally optional, but I just feel like when you do a liquid eyeliner or a gel eyeliner, it just brings out the look of your eye makeup even more. Definitely if you are not wearing lashes. I was actually going to put lashes on, but come to find out, I did not have any lash glue, you guys. So putting liquid eyeliner was a must. But you do not have to. But again, it does bring out your look. You can go as thick or as thin if you like. Just make sure it looks good to your liking. This liquid eyeliner I was using was a little runny, so I was running out. But anywho, so I just wanted to point that out. But I'm gonna go in. Usually, what I'm doing right now, I would usually already have some form of concealer up underneath my eye. But I wiped my eye off with the makeup remover because I had eyeshadow or whatnot on there. But in this case, I applied concealer and then I just simply use the same shade that I use on my eyelids at the bottom. So again, you guys, we are only working with 2 shades to complete this everyday look. I feel like anyone can do this look, and it would not be hard. You can wear it to work, you can wear it to school. It just looks very nice and elegant. You can do a gloss lip with it. In my case, you guys will see what color I used. I'm probably going to take that color off and put a gloss on. I'm putting some black eyeliner on my waterline. I'm kind of tight lighting. Yeah. And so this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. And please make sure you subscribe to my channel, SBE Aesthetics. Join the family. Stay tuned for other great videos. And please, please follow me on Facebook, SBE Aesthetics, and Instagram, SBE Aesthetics. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, you guys. It really helps me on YouTube due to the algorithm. The more likes, the more my videos will become apparent for you guys. All right, thank you so much and have a blessed day.